The 2022 Honda Integra sedan, which is more sporty than the 2022 Honda Civic, has been officially launched in China. Guangqi Honda Automobile has finally unveiled their new 2022 Honda Integra sedan. The name Integra had surprised social media because it was close to Honda's renowned two-door sports vehicle for the US market. The 2022 Honda Integra is available in 3 trim levels: 180 turbo operation, 240 turbo fuel, and 240 turbo burning edition. The 2022 Honda Integra sedan differs from its Civic sibling in various ways. The front grille, for example, is bigger and has a honeycomb pattern. The new model's headlamps are likewise slimmer, and the bumpers are more forceful. Continuing to the side, the general Integra silhouette is similar to the Civic, with minor variations in the 18-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. Similarly, the stern stop lamp now mimics that of the Acura model, which is already complete LED, as well as a new rear bumper with a little diffuser and horizontal cat eyes. GAC Honda appears to be purposefully targeting youthful consumers, as there are 2 anti-mainstream color options for the 2022 Integra sedan, namely emerald blue and fiery yellow. These 2 distinct colors obviously make the Integra sedan stand out on the road. This sedan model from GAC Honda will be powered by a 1500cc turbo L15C9 engine with a maximum power of 184 PS and a peak torque of 240 Nm. This engine is also found in Civics marketed in Thailand and other countries. The distinction is in the mode of transmission. Whereas the Civic in Thailand only offers a CVT automatic gearbox choice, the 2022 Integra includes a 6-speed manual transmission option. According to GAC Honda, a manual transmission is a symbol of a vehicle's maximum performance, capable of bringing excitement and driving enjoyment. Although no interior photographs of the 2022 Integra sedan have been released, it appears that GAC Honda will employ the worldwide Civic to continue the style of Honda's current automobiles, with a focus on simplicity and practicality. Equipped with a 10.2-inch TFT mid-LCD instrument display that can alter various functions in the car, a new 3-spoke steering wheel, a 9-inch floating entertainment screen, and an AC outlet that extends from left to right to produce a minimalist design. GAC Honda continues to include Honda Sensing as standard equipment, which includes the lead car departure notification system, adaptive cruise control with low-speed follow, line keep assist system, collision mitigation braking system, road departure mitigation system with lane departure warning, auto high beam, and driver attention monitor. GAC Honda also offers a wealth of extra available equipment, like black shark fin antennas and mirrors, chrome exhaust tips, black door handle trim, and smoked headlights in select places. The firms whose products are featured in this review are not affiliated with Auto Omato. Any trademarks displayed are the sole property of their respective owners. Thank you for visiting my channel and viewing my videos. Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Which do you prefer? The 2022 Integra sedan, or the 2022 Civic sedan?